Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if your iPhone is on iPhone unavailable. Try again in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or if you just forget your iPhone passcode. If you have tried wrong passcode, now your iPhone is stuck on iPhone unavailable. I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem without computer, without iTunes. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video guys, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. Now here you can see my iPhone is stuck on an iPhone unavailable. Now I'm going to fix this problem without computer or without iTunes. So to fix this problem, we have to just use another device. So you can borrow an iPhone or Android device, it doesn't matter. You can use your friend device. So once you have another device in your hand, then you can simply just connect to internet connection. Then what you're gonna do, go to browser, any browser, it can be Safari, Google Chrome. Then here you have to search for iCloud.com. Then click on go. So now just wait until the next page is open. So once you're on the iCloud website, here you will get the sign in option. I have already logged in my Apple ID, as you can see, but if you don't have already logged in, you will see the sign in button. You have to click on sign in and you have to log in with your Apple ID, the same Apple ID that you were using on this iPhone. So this is my same Apple ID that was signed in on this iPhone. So here is the same Apple ID. So make sure that guys, in order to fix this problem iPhone unavailable, you have to log in the same Apple ID as on this iPhone. So this is the same Apple ID that I was using on this iPhone. So once you're logged in, simply click on menu and click on find my. This is the app, and on the next page you will see all of your devices. If it's asked for your Apple ID passcode, then you can enter the passcode. So if you have enabled touch ID or face ID, you can click on continue and it will recognize your face and sign in the Apple ID. And on the next page you will see all of your devices where you have logged in your Apple ID. So now what we have to do, we have to choose this device which is on unavailable. So as you can see, here is this device. In order to make sure that you have selected the right device, you can simply click on play sound and your iPhone will start playing the sound, as you can see. So once you have made sure that you have selected the right device, now the next step is you have to click on erase iPhone here and click on continue. And on the next page, enter your Apple ID password, or you can continue with touch ID or face ID. And then just wait for a few seconds until the Apple ID is signed in. Then on the next page, you have to simply click on next. You don't have to enter phone number or any message. Click on done. And as you can see, erase is started. Now this iPhone will start erasing. Now just wait for a few seconds. Here we go. Now simply on this iPhone, click on remove from account and click on remove and enter your Apple ID passcode. Now you don't need this device. Just wait until this device is restored completely. So once it's done, you will be on this page. Press the home button. Now simply select the language. Then simply scroll down to select your region or country. And so I'm going to just skip the setup, speed up the process so you don't have to wait. So here we go guys. Now as you can see, the iPhone unavailable error has been fixed. So this is how you can do it. Hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.